Guys, this guy scanned me. I'm sorry I couldn't get most of it on video, but I had the proof right here. He was gonna give me limiteds, and he stole my chromatides. Dude, you're done. I have the footage now. He stole my chromatides and he left. He was supposed to give me those items, and he scammed me basically. He stole my items. He was supposed to give me 4 limiteds for my chromatides, and he declined all the trades. He declined all the trades. This guy's a scammer. His name is Master OP27. He scammed me. He stole my chromatides. I just lost half of my inventory, guys. I don't know what to do. I feel very saddened. I honestly don't know what to do. I don't have it anymore. He scammed me. Please, guys, if you know this person, just go beat on him. Like Master, like I don't know if I can get some of the chat pulled up. He already shut down the server. He scammed me. He was supposed to give me all these trades, and he declined all of them. He said he was sharking. He scammed my chromatides, and he tried scamming my chroma bone blade. Guys, please. I just lost 5,200 of my seers. I actually think I might permanently quit MN2 and just play other games, or not even play Roblox. Please, if you guys know him, or like if you guys see him in the trading servers, he's a scammer. He's a scammer. He scammed me. He scammed me. Dude, why will you scam me? Scam me. Look, so he scammed me. Look, he literally scammed me. Like, this dude scammed me. He declined all my trades. Guys, please, if you know this guy, he scammed me. This guy's a scammer. I have the footage. Sadly, I don't have the footage of him taking the knife from me, but I have the footage of him having it in my inventory. Like, I don't know what to, I'm so speechless. I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys have told me to get an MM countless times, but he scammed me. He scammed me. I showed you guys I don't have my chroma anymore. I'm sorry. I almost lost my chroma bone blade too, but yeah. He scammed my items. He's like, if I trade him, he scammed my items. Like, he won't accept any of my trades. He won't accept my trades anymore. He scammed me. I'm sorry, guys. Like, this is too much. I think this crosses the line. I lost 5,200 in seers. You know how insane that is? I lost 5,200 seers. That's literally my whole, like, that's half of my inventory. Like, this, I don't know what to say. Like, he declined all my trades. He declined them. He scammed me. He scammed me. He scammed me, dude. He scammed me. And I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. He scammed me. He took my chromatides. I don't have my chromatides anymore. I just lost it. If you guys could please donate, I would really appreciate it. This is the dude. You scammed me. You took it. You took my chromatides. He took it from me. And he wanted me to give Bone Blade for it. He was like, if you give Bone Blade, I'll give it to you. I gave him the chromatides, and now I can't trade him. Dude, you took it. We agreed on chroma. I feel like this whole dude is inventory a scam. This is the guy, guys. He freaking scammed me. I was texting one of my friends. I lost chromatides. I'm sorry. I don't have it anymore. Sang I lost it. Sang was the person who traded me. I don't have it anymore. I don't have the chromatides anymore. I lost it. Scan me and kick me out of your server. I got you. I really did. He's probably going to change his user, but I showed you guys his inventory. He scanned me. Please, guys, if you guys can do anything, I would really appreciate it. Like, if you guys could, like, donate. I literally lost half of my work. After working so hard, I don't know what to say. I just lost half of my work, and I'm really sad. I don't think I want to play this game anymore. I think this is it. I think I'm actually gonna quit. I'm sorry, guys. I'll do the giveaway for the heat, but like after that, I'm done. I'm sorry. Please don't unsubscribe. I'll still make Lego videos since I can't get scammed on that. Just please don't unsubscribe. That's like if you guys unsubscribe, that would literally break me even more. Just please stay subscribed. Tell people to support the channel. I just had a tragic loss. I just lost my chromatides, and I can't trade him anymore. He he didn't complete. Also, this guy. So basically how it went is I wanted to give him my bone blade as like an MM item, and I was like, so I gave him my bone blade and he gave it back, and he used that as like bait so I could trust him with the chromatides. So I gave him the chromatides and he laughed at me and called me he called me an idiot. He said he was going to sell the items. But yeah, screen. I hope you guys can hear what I'm saying. It's just, just really sad right now. I'm sick. Also, I shouldn't have done that. I feel really bad now. I don't want to do anything anymore. I literally played Roblox this whole week just to have my. I didn't think I even lasted a week with it. I just lost it. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do anymore. I keep getting scammed. They keep getting scammed. I need your support, guys. Please just tell people to sub to the channel. I want to get to like 1K subs. Please. Please, bro. That's all I would need. The heat giveaway is still on. I would really appreciate it if you guys subbed. No, you're a scammer. Look at him. He's admitting to scamming. He calls it sharking. See, look, he promised 4 and I was doing 3. Okay. If he scams me, I'm just gonna catch him on tape doing it. That's what I want to do. That way, oh, dude, come on, please don't do this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make 2 parts. I'll be back.